This is All India Radio. In the program Surkhiyon Mein, now we bring you an exclusive interview with Sajan Prakash, first Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. The interviewer is AIR correspondent Siddharth Singh.
Sajan Prakash became the first ever Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics 2020, and Sajan Prakash clocked 1 minute 56.38 seconds in the 200-meter butterfly event to make A cut for Olympics. The game's A standard was set at 1 minute 56.48 seconds, and 27-year-old Sajan Prakash completed the run 0.10 seconds faster at the FINA accredited Olympic qualifier. So to share all these success, we have with us Sajan Prakash. Welcome to this special series on Tokyo Olympics of All India Radio News.
Thanks for having me.
Sajan, now you are the only Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. What was your first reaction after qualification, since you were trying hard for it and finally you did it?
Certainly we were very happy, me and my coach and the people, support staff, we all put in a lot of effort for this moment. We had this target in the last 1 year. We are very happy and moved. We were very joyful to see I've achieved my target. We were also relieved. We felt lighter now.
Sajan, so now you are the only Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. What was your first reaction after qualification, since you were trying hard for it? So what was the first reaction that came to you?
First reaction when I saw the time board, I saw my coaches jumping in the stands and I had happy tears on me, and then I didn't have the time to celebrate. When I came out and I walked, I saw my coach. He was literally crying and he came and hugged me. And there is no beautiful feeling than that thing in the world.
Sajan, the game A standard was set at 1 minute 56.48 seconds, but you completed the run 0.1 second faster than qualifying mark. The great achievement, you have also set a new national record. So with so many things, how it was possible?
As I said, we put all the effort in the pool during our training period in the last 1 year. So we didn't have any doubts. I created this race-based training during the training sessions where I could see myself progress to better my timings over the period. I think I gained more confidence with that.
And Sajan, since you are a youth icon of the country, our listeners wants to know how your journey started in swimming and what was your turning point?
I started swimming when I was 5 because my mom is an athlete. I had this sports gene in me and I had to try out all the sports. I was very athletic when I was young, and we had a solid team in Neyveli Lignite Corporation with swimming, and the coaches were very professional and ethical. So I think slowly we started progressing in the sport. And in 2011, when I was 17, I moved to Bangalore to swim with Mr. Pradeep Kumar. And that's when I could see the real change happening with the swimming with the national level swimmers and who are Olympians already. And that's when the big change happened. And in 2015, my professional career was in different level. I could see myself getting very close to the Olympic qualifying times.
Or Sajan, in this swimming journey, what are your major breakthrough?
Major breakthrough is that what happened 3 days back, achieving the Olympic qualifying time. And 3 years back when I went to Asian Games and I came 5th, which wasn't enough at that point, but that boosted me a little, even more.
Sajan, family plays an important role in any success of life. So how big was the role played by your family? And our listeners would also like to know how they supported you.
My mother was my only source, and family are there, but my mother was the whole supporting system. And my mother supported me throughout. You know, when I was in Bangalore, she used to travel every weekend from Tamil Nadu, from Neyveli to Bangalore, just to come and see me or just to take care of me. That I think mothers are always special. And because of my mom, I could be at this today. And also my family, I would say, is that my team, wherever I train, I stick to them well, and I trust them, and we all stay together as a team and we help each other.
And Sajan, how does top scheme of Government of India supported you in your preparations?
I am not included in any top scheme right now, but before the Asian Games, they have helped me with the training and competitions. I hope they continue the support for me in the future.
In the recent Mann Ki Baat program, Prime Minister talked about players who are participating in Tokyo Olympics and, on a personal level also, and he has also interacted with players sometimes back. So how do you see when the top leadership of the country, when they interact with players, when, he is in support of you? So what is your feeling about that?
I think it's a great encouragement. We need this encouragement as many times so we could go step by step to next level of our career and get our passion right for our country.
And who is your biggest competitor in this Tokyo Olympic?
Internationally, I think the Europeans, the Americans, everybody in swimming are big names nowadays. It's not only the Americans or Australians now. There are so many countries who are getting really fast. So I wouldn't say one. There are many.
So every player has a role model. Who is your role model in swimming or any other player?
Honestly, my role model is my mother and my coach. That's all I could say. But internationally, when I see Michael Phelps and Roger Federer and Michael Jordan.
And you qualified for the Rio Olympic in 2016. So how do you see this Tokyo 2020 is different from, Rio 2016?
This is going to be a very unique Olympics, which has never happened before with this pandemic. So it's going to be very different. I am still yet to experience that. So I maybe let you know after once I compete. But with regards to competition, it's always a learning process and looking up to the world standards and improving myself with timings and perform and getting close to those world standard of swimming.
As we know, the whole world has gone through this pandemic and it has affected all the preparations of the players. So how you work from those hurdles and challenges during that period?
It was the same for everyone. I don't know how to comment on this because everyone is facing difficulties right now and it won't be fair for me to comment on my success journey only.
Sajan, there are many budding players in India in swimming, especially in the 200 meter and other events. So what is your message for those who wants to make swimming as career?
Many people get the opportunity, many doesn't, but make every opportunity in a right way. And many people drop out in the middle because they are not aware of what sport gives you and what sport takes it back. Because it's just pain at that moment. Don't give up. Be consistent, and the pain is temporary. The pride is forever.
And if I especially talk about swimming, what are the main hurdles? Because how do you see swimming as a different game from others?
Swimming is technical. As much as we go to the sports science the more excellence we could see happening. I think we should be more realistic and work towards getting more of sports science and backing towards the sports in our own country and not traveling anywhere abroad. And we should get the whole support system in one program and slowly getting it happening.
And what's about the infrastructure which is available in the field of swimming? What do you see in India?
The swimming pools, the coaches are doing a really great job. They're pushing as much. But if we want to compete at the highest level, if you want to compete with the Americans or the Japanese or the Australians, we need to be doing at least close to what they are. So I think the change is happening. The government is supporting well. I think the more the support, the more better we get.
And what is your message for our listeners, who are listening to you right now?
For me, I went through a lot of hardships and obstacles that on my way for this journey. And I don't say somehow I passed it. I came through well with all the injuries happening and stuff. If you love your work and if you are passionate at any point, just be patient and one day you will see miracles happening.
So we wish you all the best for upcoming Olympics and thank you so much talking with All India Radio News. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
You were listening to an exclusive interview with Sajan Prakash, first Indian swimmer to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. The interviewer was AIR correspondent Siddharth Singh. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our YouTube channel, News on AIR Official. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com.